Hi, I'm going to show you how to remove this Google search bar on Google Pixel 9a. So the only way how we can remove it is to install different launcher. For that, go in Play Store, tap on search bar and enter launcher. From here, choose Microsoft Launcher because it's free and has no ads. So tap install. And then wait a few seconds till it will be downloaded. Great, now we can immediately open it. Tap Get Started, allow permissions, like that, and skip to sign in. Now, the next thing we need to do is to tap Let's Go and choose Set as Default. So switch from Pixel Launcher to Microsoft, and then you'll be able to press and hold this Google search bar and remove it. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.